Здравствуйте, друзья! Hello, my friends! It's your Russian teacher Alicia here again. And today we are talking about something many foreigners notice right away when they see Russians. Why do Russians really smile? Let me tell you, this is not a myth. It's actually a real cultural difference. Russians don't like to smile. When my students first visit Russia, they often tell me, "Teacher, why does everyone look so serious? Did I do something wrong?" No, nothing wrong. In Russian culture, smiling is not just a polite habit. It's a sign of real feeling. And sometimes if you walk down the street smiling, it looks wrong. Don't do this. People feel like something is wrong. So why Russians don't smile at strangers? In many countries, like the USA or some parts of Europe, people smile in shops, on the streets, or when meeting new people. In Russia, it's different. A Russian smile usually means, I know you, I like you, I really feel happy right now. So if you smile just because, people might think you're joking, you're being too personal, or even you are not sincere. They wouldn't believe you. That's why in shops, on public transport, at the restaurant, or at work, Russians may keep a serious face all of the time. So when do the Russians smile? With friends and family, of course, we do smile when something is really funny or joyful, so we don't waste our smiles. Seems like we count them. In relaxed situations like at party, with tea, at home, for example, at a birthday party, lots of smiles, of course. In the metro during rush hour, no one will smile to you. So how to show friendliness in Russian without smiling? Instead of smiling, Russians often say warm, polite phrases. For example, "Рад тебя видеть", "Рад тебя видеть", "Рад тебя видеть", "Glad to see you" if you are a male. "Рада тебя видеть", "Рада тебя видеть", "Рада тебя видеть", "Glad to see you" if you are female. Как дела? Как дела? Как дела? How are you? Как настроение? Как настроение? Как настроение? Как настроение? How's your mood? These small phrases replace the automatic smile. You can try this next time you meet Russian friends. In official situations, smiles are smaller and more controlled. Passport and ID photos. No smile at all. You must look very serious. And this is the rule. In shops or business meetings, neutral face is okay. So, what's the secret? Russian people do smile, but their smiles are more private, more honest, and more personal. So if the Russian smiles, normally this is a real smile, not a fake one.